Collision detection is a standard feature of the Microdynamics HMI controller, included in all vertical machining centers, designed to prevent machine damage when a collision is detected. The controller continually monitors the load on all motors and detects spikes that occur during rapid movement or high feed load in all axes. For example, if we move along the x-axis from point A to B, there will be two spikes in the motor load, one at the beginning of the movement to accelerate the axis, and one at the end to decelerate and stop the axis. The movement starts, and the load increases on the graph. When the axis reaches a speed of 52 meters per minute, the graph load lowers and flattens. When the command reaches the end of the movement, there is a deceleration to stop, showing another spike in the graph load. An example of machine movement with collision detection function. When the machine collides with an obstacle during the movement from A to B, the machine will continue trying to reach point B, but since an obstacle is obstructing the axis, the motor will increase power in an attempt to continue moving. The motor will continue to load until an alarm stops the machine, which will cause varying levels of damage. Microdynamics collision detection can prevent reduced damage. The calibration function in the servo tune menu automatically calculates a set of detection values for each axis. The collision detection software filters the spikes at the beginning and the end of the movement. An example of machine movement with collision detection function. When the machine collides with an obstacle during the movement from A to B, the controller will trigger collision detection alarm and stop the movement. In the load graph, when the motor load exceeds the setup limit during the movement, a collision is detected and the machine is stopped. Setting the correct maximum load parameters for all axes ensures that when an accidental collision occurs, the machine will stop immediately, preventing severe damage to the machine and reducing potential damage to the workpiece and spindle. Collision detection also protects the machine while cutting. When there is an excessive load on any axis, the control will trigger the alarm. Designed to protect the spindle and machine from accidental collisions, collision detection helps reduce additional repair costs. Microdynamics software provides real-time, intelligent protection, ensuring your machines always operate at their best.